Any mistake was there? Was there any mistake?
Yes.
What was the mistake?
At the beginning, I did something wrong.
Okay, and that something can you correct now?
I don't really remember what I got wrong, but I know I got it wrong because I memorized the sound.
Okay, that's really nice. So you have to play one more time, right?
I got this part wrong, like I did like this.
That part was different. Okay, so better to try one more time, and this will be the last time, right?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, correct.
No, there was 2 mistakes.
Okay, fine. Try one more time.
It's only the fingers because I have to do 3 at a time.
Okay, try one more time. Let's see.
Now,
Yes. Perfect. So you need to practice more for this.